and we would be working on the words every day, everybody, everyone, someone, and somebody. I'm first going to write down some sentences and I'm going to ask you guys which one is correct. Let's start with it. Now let's have a look at these three sentences. Let's start with the very first one. Everybody has a problem. Now I want you guys to tell me, मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप मुझे ये बताएं कि यहाँ पे have लगेगा या फिर has लगेगा. Which one would be better? Would it be have or has? If you have this sentence, everybody, have or has, which one would be correct? Would it be have or would it be has? Okay, please write it down in the comment box. Let's have a look at the second sentence. Somebody is calling or somebody are calling me. इसका क्या होगा? Would it be somebody is calling me or would it be somebody are calling me? And the third sentence, we have everyone do the work or everyone does the work. Look at the third sentence, please. Please concentrate on the third sentence. Everybody do. Okay. Or does. Now, please try to remember this thing and try to just put it into your brains that whenever you have the words every or one, जब आपके पास कुछ वर्ड आता है, कोई वर्ड आता है जिसके साथ every या one या some attached होता है, तो आपने उसको हमेशा सिंगुलर करना है. अब अगर आप इन sentences को देखेंगे, if you look at these sentences, you would understand something. ये जो है every or one या फिर singular, if you look at this sentence, everybody का मतलब ये है कि ये कभी भी plural नहीं हो सकता, ये हमेशा singular होगा, जिसकी वजह से आप has use करेंगे. It is always going to be singular if it is everybody. So if you have these words everybody, everyone, someone, somebody, जब कोई आपको ये बताता है ना everybody is coming और everybody are coming, तो everybody से आपको ये ऐसा लगता है जैसे बहुत से लोग आ रहे हैं, मगर असल मतलब इसका ये every, हर एक इंसान के लिए. So if you have, sorry I have to put a y over here, if you have the word everybody, it would be having a verb or a helping verb which is for singular. उसका जो helping verb या verb होगा वो हमेशा singular होगा. The next one is somebody are calling me or somebody is calling me. Again it is going to be is everyone do the work or everyone does the work. So with everyone you have to write down what? With everyone you have to again write it down in singular. It would be everyone does the work. And then we have someone is or are. It would be someone is coming. Fine. So you have to remember that when you have these words, ये आपको इंटरनेट पे भी मिल जाएंगे, और जो the quiz which I am going to upload in a few minutes, would also be having these everybody, everyone, someone, somebody, कुछ और भी हैं. और ये जब भी इनके बाद आपने कुछ लिखना होता है. अब मैं आपको एक बात बताता हूँ जो स्टूडेंट्स मिस्टेक्स करते हैं. वो कहते हैं कि एवरीबडी हैव अ प्रॉब्लम, बोलते कह देते हैं एवरीबडी हैव अ प्रॉब्लम, मगर वो रियलाइज नहीं करते कि ये एवरीबडी जो है वो सिंगुलर है, उसके साथ हैव नहीं लगेगा, उसके साथ हैज़ लगेगा. ओके, so please try to understand this and do the quiz also. Okay, thank you.